That.
Oh, they're here.
I'm not paying you 300 RMB. I talked to that guy and said, don't do that. I'm not paying him 300. I said 30 quiet. Alright, so we're going to get a coffee. Just woke up, had a big sleep in, 12-hour sleep. And then we're going to go to Tiananmen Square and see where the day takes us from there.
Tiananmen Square?
Yeah. Alright, so I've given in and I'm getting a ride with one of these little carts. I don't know where this is going to end up. I have a feeling it will end up in some sort of debate about prices, but nonetheless, we are on the road and we'll see where this takes us. We're getting taken the long way to get our value up, I guess. We're very close to Tiananmen Square, just in the center of Beijing. Oh, feeling super full. Hopefully we get to the square soon. There's going to be a lot of people around. And lots of people, something I don't really want to deal with today. Quietly happy that I am getting a ride there, even though I'm getting ripped off. It's fine. Supremely confident where we're headed, but it's always an adventure here in China.
Oh, this is street.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Hand the street.
No.
Hand the street.
Don't do that. No.
Hand the street.
Stop that. Stop that.
Oh, they're here.
I'm not paying you 300 RMB. I talked to that guy and said, don't do that. I'm not paying him 300. I said 30 quiet.
No.
Don't do this. Don't stitch me up. I said 30 quiet, man. I said 30 quiet.
No.
There's no way I agreed for 30. I'm not giving him 200. Don't do this to me, man. I said 30. No. I agreed to the other man that it was 30 quiet. I said 30 quiet, and he's like, yes, 3. Pardon? I'm giving him 30. I'm not giving you 300. Don't be so ridiculous.
You asked the money. You asked the money. 30. You asked the money.
No. Don't do this to me. That is ridiculous. I'm not giving him 100. I live in China. I understand.
You 30. 他说 US money.
30
I
US
said
money.
30 quiet to the guy that
30 块 how much
this is
money?
a stitch up. This is an
hand it
absolute
over
stitch
here.
up.
Hand it.
这是 US， 他说 US
money. US money.
No, I said
Chinese people.
I said 30块 and he goes 对 3 30块 3 30块 30块 Don't do this to me, man. Don't do this to me. I said 30块 I live in China. I understand money. He said 对30块
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Well, that was classic viewing there. A little bit of a battle with the Chinese driver. Tried to scam me 300 RMB for a ride of about 300 meters away from my place. That was incredible. I called it. I knew that shit was going down, but I didn't realize he was going to be so sneaky. 300 RMB. It's almost like $100 to go just around the corner. Be super careful about what you do here in China and agree on a price before you even come near agreeing to get into one of those things. There's scammers in every country, and this is certainly not a tarnish on the Chinese way of life. People are just trying to make a buck, but you've got to be super aware. I knew that would happen, and I'm glad I managed to get out of it.
主动出示身份证件。 迎来到天安门地区，请您在排队。
We have the mausoleum of Mao. You can go in there for free. Can't take cameras, obviously. His body's lying in state. They're very, very proud of that situation. It's a little bit weird. It's the way they do it. And it's about 35 degrees right now, and there's a lot of people around, and security checks in and out, particularly of Tiananmen Square, are intense. So much history happened here that the locals know about or don't talk about, or it's a mixed version of history, so it's good. Security is tight, and they sort of look at me with this OSMO setup like it's some sort of dangerous object. So everything's going okay now. Certainly, if you're ever in China, and like I said it yesterday, if someone approaches you with perfect English, asking you if you want to ride, and they'll say, free, free, free. What they're actually trying to do is make it 300, they'll change it to 300 US, 30 US, all sorts of bullshit. So just be real careful. This is going to be a real nice slow-mo.